Hello, I'm Dr. Russell Raath. I'm a specialist anesthesiologist and I'm the head of the Jacaranda Pain Clinic, which is a chronic pain management centre at the Netcare Jacaranda Hospital. Today I want to tell you about the benefits of this machine. This is the Vacumed machine, a medically certified device, and how it can help you and improve your quality of life. A few weeks ago, maybe a month or two, I tore my hamstring tendon seriously. 3 places, proven on a sonar examination. I could hardly walk. I definitely could not walk normally. And so I came and used this machine, and I'll demonstrate now how it's used. And within 5 treatments, I was walking properly. And I totally forgot about my hamstring tear, which is unusual because hamstrings are known to take a long time to heal. So this machine can help you too if you have any one of the following conditions. Do you have burning feet due to diabetes mellitus? Or due to chemotherapy for cancer? Or you have burning feet for a reason that nobody knows what it is? Do you have painful tingling in your feet and your toes? Or your fingers for that matter? You see, this machine only works in the bottom half of the body. The mechanism, it produces certain elements and chemicals in the body due to its action, which then circulate in the blood. And so it can have an effect on the top half of the body as well. So while it only operates on the lower half of the body, it can have an effect on the whole body. So tingling in the hands can also be helped. Do you have dead areas in your legs and feet, which can also be painful? Do you have poor circulation in your lower legs and feet? Is this bad circulation threatening you to lose your toes or your foot? Also usually due to diabetes, very often. Is the circulation in your feet and lower legs so poor that the doctors are making noises about amputation, and that amputation is near? Do you have swollen feet for whatever reason or for a reason unknown? You see, conditions like heart disease, kidney disease can cause swollen feet, and those are obviously going to need attention before you just treat the swollen feet. So if you have one of those conditions and it's under control, but your feet are still swollen, this machine can make a difference. How about just general painful legs, muscles and joints, and arthritis of known or unknown cause? Or simply, have you overdone it in a sport or a sporting weekend and you end up with sore muscles? Or simply, have you overdone it in the gym and you've maybe hurt a muscle or you've just got sore muscles? Or do you have a sports injury, like a torn hamstring, that is just not healing fast enough or as fast as it should? So this machine, how does it help you? Well, you get into this machine, the lower half of your body into the machine. I'll demonstrate that now. And then it seals around your body, and then the machine in this tank, where the bottom half of your body is, develops or draws a vacuum and then releases the vacuum to atmospheric air. So there's never a high pressure. This is not a high pressure device. It's a low pressure device. Now when you get a decrease of pressure around the lower half of your body, your blood vessels do this. And then when the vacuum collapses, they do this. And so you get this pumping action. And this pumping action will increase lymph drainage and blood flow. It not only does that, this opening and closing the blood vessels is what stimulates the tissues to secrete certain substances which circulate through the whole body. So you get into the machine, and the therapy lasts about 30 minutes. There are different programs that the machine runs on for different conditions. So I will now demonstrate how easy it is to use this machine. All you have to do, first of all, is take off your shoes, which I will now do. Once your shoes are off, you can get into the machine with your normal street clothes on. And you come and you lie here, got your legs, put them in the machine, make sure you're lying comfortably, and the machine automatically draws you in itself. Once you have been drawn into the machine completely, it is sealed around your body to make it airtight. And then the procedure starts. And there you can hear the machine sucking the air out of this tank, making a vacuum around the lower half of my body. And then it releases the vacuum. And then it draws another vacuum and releases it. This process goes on for 30 minutes. The amount of vacuum it draws, the length of the vacuum and the intensity of the vacuum varies during the procedure and for various conditions. So you lie here calmly and maybe even nod off and fall asleep. And so my 30 minutes is up. I've had my therapy to my lower half of my body. The seal is then opened and the machine automatically will move me out of the device. Here I go. There we go. And once I've been fully extracted from the machine, just sit up. And that's that. Get up, put on my shoes, and leave. And that's the therapy that can change your life if you have one of the conditions I mentioned earlier on. If you want more information about the Vacumed, please contact the number above in this corner above me, where you can get more information or you can make a booking. I hope to see you soon to help you with the Vacumed machine. Till next time.